Welcome to SUPRA AUTO Care, where we redefine luxury by offering a suite of premium services to keep your beloved vehicle in pristine condition. Let's take a closer look at what we have to offer. Our graphene coating ensures unparalleled protection for your vehicle's paint. It forms a strong, durable layer that shields against environmental elements, leaving a mesmerizing, glossy finish that lasts. Experience the ultimate shield with our ceramic coating. It provides exceptional resistance against scratches, UV rays, and contaminants, maintaining your car's showroom shine for an extended period. Our ceramic tint not only enhances the aesthetics of your vehicle but also blocks harmful UV rays, ensuring a cooler interior. Enjoy style and comfort, all in one. At SUPRA AUTO Care, car detailing is an art. Our skilled technicians pay attention to every detail, restoring your vehicle to its original glory inside and out. For those inevitable bumps and scratches, our paint and body works service guarantees a flawless repair. We bring back the beauty of your car with precision and expertise. Indulge your vehicle in our luxury wash. Our meticulous cleaning process ensures a sparkling, showroom finish, leaving your car looking as good as new. But that's not all. SUPRA AUTO Care goes beyond the basics with an array of additional services designed to meet your every need. From engine detailing to glass detailing, mags detailing, headlight restoration, and even sofa, bed, carpet deep cleaning, we've got it all covered. Our specialists handle watermarks removal, buff and wax, asphalt removal, car seat cover installation, and the innovative Back to Zero sanitizer service. And that's just the beginning. We offer undercoat, anti-rust treatments, and many more services to ensure your vehicle remains in top-notch condition. At SUPRA AUTO Care, we are dedicated to crafting luxury in every detail. Crafting luxury, that's the SUPRA AUTO Care promise. Trust us to elevate your driving experience. Schedule your appointment today and let your car experience the luxury it deserves.